Delrin 500AF blend POM polyoxymethylene acetal homopolymer is a semi-crystalline thermoplastic acetal with 13% PTFE used in bearing and wear applications. Key properties include a thermal operating range of -50 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, a lower coefficient of friction than natural Delrin, improved wear properties compared to natural Delrin, and close to 4 times higher limiting PV of 8,300 versus 2,700 limiting PV for natural Delrin. Common applications include wear pads, thrust washers, bushings, and bearings. With a low coefficient of friction, improved wear resistance, and a higher limiting PV, Delrin 500AF blend is well suited for demanding application with operating temperatures up to 185 F. It is commonly used for bearings, bushings, wear pads, guides, rollers, and other sliding components in automation and conveyor, automotive, valve, and construction and heavy equipment applications.